guys, Greg here with your daily thought. When evaluating a place, friendships, a company to work for, activities to be involved in, ask yourself, how does it make me feel afterward? Today I'm going to use a list of notes that I took in advance just to ask a series of questions that are going to help you dial in this filter. Because we want to slowly remove the unhelpful, the bad, the unhealthy things from our life and slowly bring in the good. And if you're in a place where there's a lot of good, that's amazing. Because then we can choose between what is best and what is good, right? Even if something is unhealthy, we can still aim for what is best, but we might have a harder time dialing that in. So, a couple things. When you leave that activity, that place, that company, for the end of the day, you come home or you've got a moment to think, sit with the after experience and ask, did I feel unknown, unlistened to? Do I now feel worse about self, bad about self maybe, not good enough? Maybe I feel energized. Do I feel more alone or do I feel filled up? Do I feel better about myself and about life in general? Do I feel optimistic about life and my future, or do I feel worse about my future, like doors are closing and I can see less opportunities and less options? Is it like how I normally feel when I'm done doom scrolling on TikTok? Just my brain's mush, kind of got a little bit groggy, these kinds of things. What does it feel like? So sit with that after experience and ask yourself, how do I feel after said thing, time with people, working at a company, all these different kinds of things? And what adjustments can you make today for your future? If we get it better just by 1% every day, it actually has a compounding effect in the future. Much love, fans.